Viewers, thank you for joining us on India's Election News Headquarters Times Now. We have a stellar panel of political guests as also our experts to decode the numbers. Let's quickly, without any ado, put the poll of polls on air. Just look at the numbers. Today is the 5th of February. In about 48 hours from now, on the 8th, we will have the final numbers. But what is the poll of polls saying? 36 to 42. Look at the first column, BJP. 36 to 42. So the BJP has an edge in the poll of polls. Where does the Aam Aadmi Party stand? 27 to 33. The Congress, according to me, along expected numbers, failing to impress once again. Let me quickly introduce the panel. Tuhin Sinha, the national spokesperson of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Dr. Anand Ranganathan needs no introduction. Karan Verma, Tushar Gupta. JVC Sriram, political commentator, here with us. Also, he has his number one column is the JVC poll in this list. Kamruzaman Chaudhary ji, Preeti Sharma Menon, spokesperson of the Aam Aadmi Party, and Vivek Srivastava in the studio, sitting right next to me, viewers. JVC, what do you make of the numbers? First your own number, and then what do you make of the poll of polls?
So I think, it's in a clear direction. The direction is very clear. Now we need to get the final numbers as far as the voter turnout is concerned. Because why it is important is because the women in Delhi, voters are lesser compared to men. Because you have men voters of 83 lakhs 49,000, women are only 71 lakhs 73,000. Now, women have tended to slightly vote higher for AAP and men have voted largely for BJP. So, once I have the data with me by tomorrow, probably in the afternoon, then we can clearly see...
But how much of this could change?
It can only change, in terms of vote share and seat share. See, at the end of the day, as a psephologist, you predict the seat share. You get your seat share right.
So why do you think the vote share will change? What's wrong?
Nothing is wrong. But what can happen is, if men have turned out more, which would have definitely happened, then BJP's vote share would have gone up.
Vivek Srivastava asking you a question.
Yeah,
why
please.
Definitely?
Pardon?
Why definitely men will vote more?
Because there are 12 lakhs more men than women.
Absolutely.
So as a result of which you will have more men voting than the women. Because the voters itself, because traditionally if you look at most of the states, women voters are more and male voters are lesser. But in Delhi,
yes,
either Dalit or any category, women are lesser and men are more.
जितनी आबादी उतना वोट.
वो ठीक है, लेकिन कितना वोट डाला लास्ट में ये तो पहले पता चलेगा.
That is what we would know only by tomorrow. So tomorrow only we can give you a correct trend in terms of how big the victory for BJP would be. It can be much bigger than what I have given.
Okay.
It could be the other way around also.
No, it cannot be the other way around.
To 33 for the Aam Aadmi Party, 36 to 42 for the Bharatiya Janata Party.
The Aam Aadmi Party is forming government in Delhi with a very large majority. We've always been underestimated in exit polls. When we first contested in 2013, we were told 2-3 seats. We got 28. When we contested the second time, we were told we may form government, but we got 67. The second time, we were told maybe 50. We got 62. In Punjab, we were told 57. We got 92. So while, yes, I understand that a lot of work has gone into this analysis, but the fact is that, the people of Delhi have stood with Arvind Kejriwal because he makes a difference to their lives. There are 25,000 rupees worth of savings that are happening in every household. And in times like this, when inflation is so high, when jobs are so, difficult to come by, people do value the kind of savings that an Arvind Kejriwal Aam Aadmi Party government gives to them. And they trust his word, because on the other side, what do you have? You have the BJP, which started a Ladki Behen, but now says 65 lakh women are no longer the sisters of Devendra Fadnavis and Eknath Shinde. Those, bhai behan ka naata hi toot gaya hai. So BJP has failed on its promises a number of times. I mean, whether you call it 15 lakh or whether you call it 2 crore jobs.
Okay.
So the trust that Arvind Kejriwal has with the people of Delhi, and definitely with the women of Delhi, as one of your analysts were just saying, is something that is going to resoundingly be with him.
Okay, let's get in the BJP spokesperson. Tuhin, are you convinced with it? Can the BJP breach the Kejri wall?
Well, good evening, Pranesh. Good evening, everybody. There is near unanimity in the exit polls. So like Sriram mentioned, the direction is very clear. But I would say we are still underestimating the quantum of anger against Kejriwal. You know, the anger has existed for many different issues. The way he has cheated people on the issue of water, on the the toxic air which Delhi has to live with. But in the last 1 week, after he indulged in his sinister plan and blamed Haryana government for perpetrating a potential genocide, I think the anger had reached another level. So I am expecting that BJP would secure a historic 48 to 50% vote share and win seats in the vicinity of around 50 seats. That is what the result is going to be. And yes, I mean, Aam Aadmi Party, will be staring at its decline forever, because the way they have cheated people.
Okay.
Arvind Kejriwal always believed, or perhaps in the last 2 elections, that he could get away with the lies. But this time, he has been confronted at least on 5 different occasions
so
within his
you began by saying,
On one
quantum
occasion
of
at
anger.
Karan, he was
Karan, what is this quantum of anger against Arvind Kejriwal that Tuhin is talking about?
Pranesh, just let this sink in. 2/3 of their government schools, I mean, so much for their education kranti, do not have a principal or a headmaster. They've been pulled up by the NCPCR. 80% of their schools do not teach science beyond class 10th. Matlab, they cannot grow up to become like Kejriwal. They cannot become an engineer like him. 28 people died in 2 months because they failed to distill the trains by their own admission. 28 people died due to electrocution. This is some serious anger we're talking here. This is malgovernance of the worst order. We have a CM candidate who cannot enter the secretariat and sign a file. I mean, how can he? They're out on bail. I mean, so much for cheating the people, and by his own admission, Kejriwal. He's admitted, I could not clean Yamuna, I could not repair the roads, I could not make sure that water reaches the people. And the kind of water we are having in Delhi, the kind of air we are breathing in, I mean, it's pathetic, it's deplorable. I haven't seen, in my living memory, I haven't seen a worst government in Delhi, and I don't know whether how the Lalu years were in Bihar, but it's pretty much comparable. The first or the second, comparable first or second. So this is serious anger. And I think the numbers, when I look at these numbers, I want to know from JVC, does he see this as an angry election? Because in an angry election, the margin should actually be even bigger. I mean, we should look at something like 50 plus for BJP. If it's this close, does it qualify?
So it's an anger election. It is an anger election. That is why I said very clearly that we need to look at it is as much as an anger election, as much there is a female, there is something which magnetizes Arvind Kejriwal, and as a result of which they tend to vote. So we need to look at the final turnout figures, do a proper analysis, and then present. Seat by seat, almost we have got it right. In fact, what if I tell you?
I want to go back to the vote share. Tushar, do you think the vote share, it'll come up on the screen, is accurate?
Pranesh, here's the problem. If you're looking at a sweep of this magnitude for the BJP, the vote share needs to reflect that as well. And I agree with JVC, the turnout will matter and other aspects will kick in and the permutations will also change. But I understand, the way I see it, BJP's rise in terms of percentage points compared to 2020 has to be greater than AAP's decline from 2020. So BJP's increase has to be at least 48%. AAP's vote share has to come down below 44% for these numbers to make sense. And it can happen because the turnout is yet to come. But there will be pollsters who would be looking to revise their vote share projections. I'm not so sure about the seats. I don't see BJP doing more than 55, 60. I don't know how that works out.
Okay.
But in 2020, Pranesh, this is the important number. 43 seats where the BJP had a vote share of more than 38%. These were the seats BJP was looking to capitalize on, and the rallies also, be it Amit Shah, be it Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, be it Narendra Modi, the Prime Minister himself. He was giving out 1,600 flats to the people from the low-income group. Where was this happening? In Wazirpur constituency, which had more than 40% vote share. So the BJP was also strategic where it was campaigning, how it was campaigning, who it was campaigning, and these numbers are possible, but the vote share needs an honest upward revision. That's all.
A proportional vote share.
Yes.
To reflect the reality of the seats that the poll of polls is.
BJP on the higher side, just to be clear.
Okay. Now, Vivek Srivastava, आप कुछ पूछना चाहते हैं डॉक्टर रंगनाथन से कि मैं पूछूं?
नहीं, डॉक्टर रंगनाथन तो अभी वो अपनी फिलॉसफी पे आ जाएंगे, लेकिन मैं ये क्वेश्चन करना चाहता हूं पहले। यहाँ बड़ा एंगर फैक्टर, गुस्सा हो गए। अरे एंगर फैक्टर होता है, यू गेट 65 सीट्स, यू गेट 67 सीट्स, यू गेट 60 सीट्स, which Aam Aadmi Party got in the past. Where is the anger? even if these dubious figures are to be believed, which I find them dubious, I do not believe in these figures. एंगर फैक्टर तो कुछ है नहीं पहली चीज एंटी इनकम्बेंसी वर्ड यू कैन यूज द वर्ड एंटी इनकम्बेंसी so this is not done I think Aam Aadmi Party is all set to form the government again yes with a lesser margin
एंटी इनकम्बेंसी को आज आप रीडिफाइन कर ही दीजिए आप एंटी इनकम्बेंसी क्या है कि
जब
boring-
एंटी इनकम्बेंसी
when you get-
प्रधानमंत्री के खिलाफ होती है तब वो गुस्सा होता है जब वो
प्रधानमंत्री-
अरविंद केजरीवाल के खिलाफ होती है तो वो बस एक नॉर्मल पॉलिसी में होता है
प्रधानमंत्री की गंगा की डुबकी काम नहीं आएगी ये मैं
अच्छा।
बोला he can take as many dips as possible on 5th deliberately on 5th to try to affect the voters of Delhi कि देखो साहब हम हिंदुत्व के लोग हैं यहाँ स्नान कर रहे हैं हमारे लिए वोट दो चलने वाला नहीं
सर
है
अगर ऐसा है तो राहुल गांधी को भी चले जाना चाहिए था
नहीं होना चाहिए
अरविंद
सर।
केजरीवाल
ये
को
गलत
किसने
trend है।
रोका था?
यार,
ये ट्रेंड
किसी
ही
को
गलत
किसने
है
रोका?
क्यों गलत है
आएंगे,
क्यों
आप
गलत है
उस पे-
क्यों गलत है
Eventually-
कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में है ये बात
नहीं,
नहीं
Constitution नहीं गलत
आपको
है।
गलत लग रहा है आपको गलत लग रहा है तो वो आपकी प्रॉब्लम है देश की प्रॉब्लम नहीं है
ना स्टेट कैन नॉट टेक द साइड ऑफ
करण तुषार 1 मिनट यू नो डो मैंने पूछा डॉक्टर रंगनाथन से आप कुछ पूछना चाहेंगे कि मैं पूछूं विवेक श्रीवास्तव बोलिए
डॉक्टर रंगनाथन कांग्रेस की स्वेरिंग इन सेरेमनी में चलेंगे मेरे साथ
Dr. Ranganathan is asking you that straight question, but you know, before you answer him, I want you to define the contest in Delhi.
Pranesh, good evening. Look, if the numbers are to go anything by, right now, you are having the voting about 10 to 15% higher than what was 5 years. Now, that can indicate two things. One, the entrenched voter base has increased. That's highly unlikely. Or two, this is a vote for change. Now, if it is going to be a vote for change, the change can only be one way because, as you know, for the last 10 years, AAP has had overwhelming majority as far as Delhi is concerned. I think 67 the first time and then upwards of 60 in the second. So vote for change means that it's bad news for AAP, but be that as it may, I'm not going to predict one way or the other. But I think this election should be, I'm not saying it would, should be a vote for change because Delhi, to be honest with you, and I'm strictly using a proverb out here, Delhi has been sent to the dog. It really is. It is in terminal decline. As far as infrastructure goes, as far as amenities goes, as far as the migration from other states goes, it's just a hellhole.
Right.
And
So-
I'm not just talking about, one center of Delhi or one part of. Overwhelmingly, if you were to exclude that all.
Right. So you would agree that, you know, this quantum of
The
anger
entire
theory
Delhi is now a landfill.
is
We
perhaps
kept doing
true.
Land symbolically.
अगर सरकार
as
बन गई
well as
परसों तब क्या
literally.
कहेंगे?
If you look at Ghazipur land, if you look at they are
Right.
towering above Qutub Minar. So something has to happen. A change has to happen. and
डॉक्टर
Delhi is
रंगनाथन
trying out-
विवेक श्रीवास्तव एज यूजुअल हैज अ लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस लेकिन वो मैं पहले उनसे सवाल पूछ लूं वो मेरा जवाब दे दे वो बोल रहे हैं कि यू शुड बी रेडी टू अटेंड कांग्रेस स्वेरिंग इन कांग्रेस पार्टी के पास ना सीट है ना नेता है पवन खेड़ा से पूछा गया एक इंटरव्यू में कि राहुल गांधी ने एक्सटेंसिवली कैंपेन क्यों नहीं किया पवन खेड़ा सेड लुक you know, we all know the people of Delhi. If you campaign too much, voters get irritated. Really, कमरुज़मान चौधरी जी, इसीलिए आप लोगों ने लोकसभा में सीट भी कम लाई कि अगर ज्यादा आ गए तो लोग नाराज हो जाएंगे.
No, Pranesh, if your exit polls are to be believed, I believe this is a very positive sign for the Congress because compared to 2020 to 2025, at least we are in the process of doubling our vote share in terms of percentage. Though it might not mature immediately into seat increment for us in the Congress, but ultimately the Delhiites will be coming for the Congress party, seeing what Congress had done in terms of development to the state of Delhi during Sheila Dixit times. And the last 10-11 years, what the people have seen is a Nora Kushti between the Bharatiya Janata Party and the
No,
Aam
but you
Aadmi
know,
Party
Kamruzaman
for
Chaudhary
issues
ji,
that never
we must all
existed, the
applaud you
manufactured issues
for your
like the Delhi
consistency.
Services Bill,
At
like-
least you are
like-
connected to the reality because the party that was, you know, celebrating its 99 seats in Lok Sabha is now happy with this dismal performance. विवेक श्रीवास्तव बोल रहे हैं स्वेरिंग इन में जाएगा कौन या अकेले एक लाल कुर्सी पे बैठे होंगे नो पंस इंटेंडेड विवेक श्रीवास्तव कौन होगा स्वेरिंग इन में वो
अभी देखिए
एक पॉइंट सर
हाँ प्लीज
You know, there is a fundamental problem with the Congress's leadership. I don't think the Congress and AAP alliance in 2024 went ahead without Rahul Gandhi's approval because it was a foolish call. Foolish why? Either the Congress and Aam Aadmi Party should have decided that we'll contest 24 and 25 together, or we'll not contest together at all in both the elections. The problem is Congress, which could have made a comeback in terms of vote share, not in terms of seats, in 2024 could have at least registered a 15 to 20% vote share in 2025. Now they are ending up with lower than double digits. That is the problem with the Congress. How do they explain this foolishness? Remember, before Haryana also, Rahul Gandhi was interested in tying up with the Aam Aadmi Party.
There is no explanation. They will say, poor thing, we will try again. Same boring results. Vivek Srivastava,
the fact of the matter is, an AAP's defeat is definitely a good sign for the Congress party. Because if AAP had won, then the Congress survival itself becomes a question mark. Because AAP will put up the shop in Himachal Pradesh. AAP will put up a shop in Uttarakhand. AAP will put up a shop in Punjab, they're already ruling. Gujarat, Goa, they've already got. Jammu and Kashmir, they've got one more seat, one MLA. Now, if AAP is defeated, then Arvind Kejriwal cannot claim to be the leader of India.
I understand the big picture. Look what the Congress is celebrating. कुछ बचा ही नहीं है उनका.
नहीं, Pranesh, at what vote share? एक तो दो सवाल. JVC, two questions for you. Let's say Aam Aadmi Party ends up with a 35% vote share. Congress ends up at 8%. Is still that a comeback for the Congress? No. The Congress will still be in an existential crisis.
Definitely yes.
On the getting it wrong, JVC, Vivek Srivastava, ये करियर सेफोलॉजिस्ट एनालिस्ट बताइए सर.
आप गलत जा रहे हैं साहब. राजनीति ऐसे नहीं होती है. यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड वन थिंग. वोट अगर आम आदमी पार्टी का कम होता है, एक परसेप्शन इफ द कांग्रेस इज अगेंस्ट आम आदमी पार्टी कैंपेनिंग एवरीडे, पीपल मे नॉट वोट फॉर द कांग्रेस डायरेक्टली, बट यस.
तो आप बोल रहे हैं ना कि कांग्रेस एक वोट कटर पार्टी बन गई.
वोट कटर पार्टी नहीं, they were contesting in this state. That doesn't mean the India alliance is over. I mean, 8th.
But sir, by your own admission, they are vote cutters. अब आप उसको कोई fancy word दे दीजिए.
It's not vote cutters. They were contesting against each other. They were contesting against each other.
I admire Vivek Srivastava. I really admire him for the consistency. Haryana में Congress and Aam Aadmi Party were fighting against each other. Aam Aadmi Party did not even stand second on any of the 90 seats. दिल्ली में फिर से लड़े. राहुल गांधी is talking about शीश महल just after 9 months of fighting with the Aam Aadmi Party in the Lok Sabha.
Right.
He's talking about शीश महल. यहाँ विवेक जी कह रहे अलायंस दुरुस्त है. चिंता मत कीजिए.
State level issues are different. State level के इलेक्शन में जुमलेबाजी होती है.
जुमलेबाजी आप कोई करप्शन, राहुल गांधी जुमलेबाजी कर रहे हैं.
नहीं,
राहुल गांधी जुमलेबाजी कर रहे हैं. विवेक श्रीवास्तव जुमलेबाज बोल दिया राहुल गांधी.
जुमलेबाजी तो मोदी साहब भी करते हैं.
अरे जुमलेबाज बोल दिया आपने.
बात करते हैं.
ऑफिशियल कंप्लेंट भी
आज विवेक श्रीवास्तव ने राहुल गांधी को जुमलेबाज बोल दिया. ये देखिए आपके सामने ये नोट्स है. ये देखिए आपने अभी लिखा है, पेन पकड़िए. देखिए सारे सबूत है. आपने लिखा ईवीएम्स नॉट राइट, वोटर मैनिपुलेशन, मनी पावर. ये है कि नहीं बताइए?
बिल्कुल है
ना.
बिल्कुल है.
देखिए
इसमें
सब गलत है. ईवीएम्स में पंगा है.
नहीं बिल्कुल ईवीएम पंगा. हम तो चाहते हैं वीवीपैट 100% आप काउंटिंग वीवीपैट से
ईवीएम में दिक्कत है. इसीलिए जो राइट साइड के कॉलम है जिसमें कांग्रेस का 0 है, वो तो माइनस का ऑप्शन नहीं तो उधर चले जाते हैं.
ये आपकी सोच है. हो सकता है बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ चुका होता.
तो आप स्वेरिंग इन में किसको बुलाएंगे?
नहीं हम तो स्वेरिंग इन में तुषार भाई को तो लेके चलेंगे, आपको भी लेके चलेंगे. तो उसमें क्या है. और मेरे फ्रेंड वहां बैठे हुए हैं, हमारे जेएनयू के प्रोफेसर, उनको तो पूरा वीवीआईपी की तरह लेके जाएंगे.
ठीक है. प्रीति शर्मा, मैंने देयर इज अनदर क्वेश्चन that people want to know. If the Aam Aadmi Party wins, will you call it a referendum on corruption, as some of your leaders have hinted?
I think somewhere along the line, I may have misheard, but people were saying that there might be some anger in the voters. There is anger in the voters. They don't like the way the Aam Aadmi Party leaders have been treated by the BJP. Now, the BJP normally thinks that, when they file cases against somebody, they will immediately join them. Like maybe, Ajit Pawar did, or so many other leaders did all over India, Once they are corrupt and, they are like chucky piecing, and next they are chief ministers, deputy chief ministers in the BJP. So that is what the BJP expected out of Aam Aadmi Party leaders, that, the moment they would make these false accusations against us, we would buckle, but they were false accusations. Now, these cases which you talk about where our leaders were arrested, these are not the only cases. 200 cases have been filed against Aam Aadmi Party MLAs in the past few years, out of which 150 we've been acquitted. and we will get acquitted in the remaining 50 also. So yes, there is a palpable anger which I have myself seen in the streets of Delhi, and I'm sure some of you must have as
No,
well.
it's a straight question.
People
Will
do
this
not
be a
like this
referendum
politics
on
of
corruption?
using the ED, the CBI, and now
Would
even
the
the Election
verdict,
Commission
if it goes in
as
your
a tool
favor,
of the
ma'am,
ruling
will
party.
this be a referendum
And
on
there is
corruption? Would you
palpable
treat
anger
the
against
verdict
that.
as that?
This would be a referendum in favor of Arvind Kejriwal's good governance. That's what you're going to see.
Okay, let me bring in
Aam
Dr.
Aadmi Party is going
Ranganathan.
to
Karan,
win with
I'll come to you.
55
But Dr.
seats, and the
Ranganathan,
people
would
of
you like to
Delhi
answer that question?
support
If Kejriwal comes to power again, the AAP says we would call it a referendum on corruption.
No, I think, referendums are passé. Even to say that somebody is voted back into power or somebody comes into power is a change for or a vote for referendum. By that logic, repeatedly when Modi has come into power, it is a vote for, that Modi is not corrupt or that Adani issue doesn't exist, for opposition, I mean. Then they should be silent about it, but they're not. They keep on and on about these issues. So by that logic, if the voters keep choosing Modi, then Rahul Gandhi and Kejriwal and every other opposition leader should be silent on the issues that they've been shouting for 10 years. So clearly that's not the case. But I would say this, as I said, Delhi has been woefully mismanaged, and all those claims of Kejriwal that Delhi was surplus budget, we had a surplus economy, we were going, is all absolute fake narrative. Delhi has a debt of right now of upwards of 40,000 crores and increasing, like Punjab. All what Kejriwal has done is to entrench the Delhi voter into this climate of PBs, which other parties have also learned. I mean, Congress and BJP as well. So no party is immune to it. Kejriwal, of course, started it. Now,
Vivek
to have the
Srivastava is
first
asking
mover
you a
advantage
question.
as far as
Dr.
PBs is
Ranganathan, he
concerned,
says,
because
what
you
makes you
keep on
think that the
having that
BJP will
intense
perform?
voter
Well,
base,
Karan, would you
keep
like
on
to answer
promising
Vivek
again.
Srivastava?
Anyone can answer.
Because of that,
What makes you think BJP will perform?
नहीं, so should we stick with a government that has grossly underperformed on every parameter, which has given a budget in 31 years for the first time that is deficit, which by its own admission, Pranesh, we cannot debate on governance. It's a hard fact today that they failed on governance. She was talking about the corruption. Liquor policy was rolled back by Arvind Kejriwal by his cabinet note.
पुलिस तक नहीं है अरविंद
By
केजरीवाल के हाथ में
stating
पुलिस
that
तक
the
नहीं है
collections have been less by 37%. CAG की रिपोर्ट आ गई 2000 करोड़ का लॉस हो गया. खुद बोला उसने that drainage master plan of Delhi dates back to 1978. Since 2015 he's been trying to fix. He's yet not got a report. We are sitting on 2025. 28 people died because
Karan,
of
look
that.
how magnanimous Vivek Srivastava is. वो बोल रहे हैं कि उनके हाथ में पुलिस नहीं है.
आपने
Sir, tell the
पुलिस
Congress
को
leaders,
दिल्ली
1 minute.
दिल्ली पुलिस
आपने
की
पुलिस
One minute,
स्कूल
विवेक
से कराने
श्रीवास्तव,
थे।
विवेक श्रीवास्तव जी,
Yes.
राहुल गांधी को ये नहीं पता जो
अस्पताल
आपको
ठीक
पता
कराना
है
है। नहीं,
कि
वो ठीक
वो
है।
क्यों बोल रहे हैं अरविंद केजरीवाल करप्ट है. पंजाब में कांग्रेस के लीडर्स डेली धरना प्रदर्शन कर रहे हैं, बोल रहे हैं करप्ट है.
नहीं वो देखिए स्टेट में इलेक्शन लड़ना दो पार्टियों की अलग बात है लेकिन ये
नहीं तो
दूसरी
ये आप
बात चाहिए-
ये ड्रामा कर रहे हैं लोगों के सामने.
Modi government has not let Arvind Kejriwal perform at all. Delhi police not in his hands. The LG has been interfering time and again.
And God, Delhi police is not in his hand.
Every new LG
सब
who
जेल में
comes,
होते.
वो
And
सिर्फ
God, Delhi
ड्रामा
police is
करते
not in his
हैं
hand.
ब्यूरोक्रेट्स को परफॉर्म नहीं करने देते और जब
अच्छा।
कंडीशन खराब होती है तो डॉक्टर रंगनाथन खड़े होकर कहते हैं देखो
इस बार-
साहब दिल्ली कितने बुरे हाल में है
अच्छा, विवेक
डॉक्टर
श्रीवास्तव,
रंगनाथन ये
चलिए,
नहीं
एक बात-
कहेंगे
एक
कभी
बात-
कि एलजी
नहीं,
क्या
नहीं,
कर रहा है
वो
एलजी के
बताएंगे।
रोल पे करें ना कमेंट
बताएंगे,
डॉक्टर
वो
रंगनाथन
एलजी, वो एलजी, सैमसंग सब करेंगे, वो बताएंगे. आप मुझे ये बताइए आप कि अगर केजरीवाल जीत जाते हैं, आप बोल रहे हैं कुछ हाथ में नहीं है, काम नहीं करने दिया, कुछ बदल जाएगा क्या? राहुल गांधी अपॉइंट करेंगे एलजी या कुछ? व्हाट विल चेंज? फिर वही बोलेंगे कि आप उनको काम नहीं करने दिया, यमुना साफ नहीं करने दिया. वो तो करना चाहते थे जी.
They have still tried it out and how do you know maybe the Congress supports the Aam Aadmi Party government I mean we don't know let the results come
I can't believe what you're saying.
Yes.
If Congress is supporting the Aam Aadmi Party,
not? Why
why
not?
is Rahul Gandhi?
हमने 2013 में भी हुआ था 2013 में भी हुआ था
विवेक श्रीवास्तव, विवेक श्रीवास्तव, मुझे एक बात बताओ, आपके सामने जो वो एस्टन चलता है नीचे, उसमें क्या लिखे? कांग्रेस सपोर्टर, प्रो लेफ्ट, प्रो आप, और क्लोजेट आप, क्या लिखे बताइए?
आप लिखिए एंटी कम्युनल पॉलिटिक्स आप लिखिए एंटी कम्युनल पॉलिटिक्स मेरे नीचे क्यों और मैं बता रहा हूं आपको
राहुल गांधी,
प्रदेश भाई सुनो ये बड़ी
राहुल
गंभीर
गांधी
बात
एंड केजरीवाल में who's more credible?
नो राहुल गांधी इज अ नेशनल लीडर और पूरे देश में लड़ते हैं हर राज्य में उनकी पार्टी लड़ रही है अरविंद केजरीवाल सीमित है दिल्ली और पंजाब तक यू कांट कंपेयर
लीडर हैज नो अपील इन दिल्ली.
आप दोनों को कंपेयर नहीं कर सकते
लीडर हैज नो अपील इन
नो 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 मैं आप दोनों कंपेयर और मैं बता रहा हूं आपको जो 2013 में हुआ अगर फिगर्स फ्रैक्चर्ड आए तो बीजेपी को बाहर रखने के लिए सब इकट्ठे होंगे।
सर वो कांग्रेस के नंबर देखिए सामने
वो अभी
देखिए।
ठीक है, वो अभी दिख रहा है ना आपको, 3 हो, 4 हो, 5 हो।
विवेक जी,
हाँ।
गणित में ना
जी।
एक चीज सिखाते हैं
जी।
एनीथिंग मल्टीप्लाइड बाय जीरो
जी।
इज जीरो।
जी।
एनीथिंग जिसमें हम जीरो ऐड करें वो वही रहता है।
एक मिनट,
तो if you are
गणित में
saying
एक सवाल है,
कांग्रेस,
छोटा
अगर
सा।
कांग्रेस
सर ये पेन
आपने-
पकड़िए,
आपने-
पेन
अगर
पकड़िए,
कांग्रेस
पेन
की
पकड़िए। एक मिनट,
अगर
एक मिनट, ये बहुत बड़े
अगर
mathematician हैं।
कांग्रेस की जीरो से
सर हाउ गुड आर यू विद नंबर्स? विवेक श्रीवास्तव, हाउ गुड आर यू विद
मैथ्स
नंबर्स?
इज माय फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट।
वेरी गुड सर, एक मिनट ये बताइए 11,1111 लिखिए।
11,000
1111
1111
ये आपने लिखा है ना?
हाँ।
कैमरे पे आया है, ये दिखाना जरा क्या है। ये देखिए 11,1111 ये नहीं दिख नहीं रहा है, ये देखिए, ये देखिए।
एक काट दो भाई, एक काट
नहीं ये
दो।
गलत हो गया भैया, गलत हो गया विवेक श्रीवास्तव। ये
चलो एक
नहीं
काट दो।
एक कितना काटोगे?
अच्छा ठीक है।
अभी
नहीं,
बोला
लेकिन
मेरा
आप-
फेवरेट
आप-
सब्जेक्ट है
आप-
विवेक श्रीवास्तव,
वो
आप
ठीक है,
क्यों
वो
करते हैं
ठीक है,
ऐसे?
ठीक है, लेकिन
राहुल गांधी के कैंपेन में से या उनके पर्सनालिटी में से आप क्या काटेंगे? आप बताइए।
नहीं नहीं,
गलत कर दिया आपने।
राहुल गांधी नेशनल लीडर है, इस वक्त बहुत बड़ी आवाज है कम्युनल पॉलिटिक्स को
बड़ी
खत्म
आवाज है।
करने के
एक
लिए।
मिनट, कांग्रेस 3 राज्यों में, आम आदमी पार्टी
राहुल
फिलहाल
गांधी
आज
इतनी
2
बड़ी
राज्यों
आवाज
में,
है,
क्या
विवेक
फर्क है?
श्रीवास्तव
क्या
ये
फर्क है?
इतनी बड़ी आवाज है कि स्टेट से लड़ रहे हैं भाई।
देखिए ये गलत हो गया, 11,1111 गलत हो गया। तो इनसे ना आंसर व्हाट विवेक श्रीवास्तव इज सेइंग, व्हाई शुड द पीपल बैंक ऑन मोदीज इमेज एंड वोट फॉर बीजेपी?
प्रणेश जी,
ऐसा क्या
थोड़ा-
किया आपने?
प्रणेश जी बहुत समय से उत्तर देना चाह रहा हूं, थोड़ा सा श्रीवास्तव जी से ऊपर उठिए। देखिए श्रीवास्तव जी ने क्या कहा कि अरविंद केजरीवाल को हमने काम नहीं करने दिया। अरविंद केजरीवाल 9 साल जो थे जेल से बाहर थे, क्या काम किया उन्होंने? The legacy of failures are well known, but I am making an important point. For the first time I have seen that instead of there being any sympathy after the AAP leaders came out of jail, actually people said that, we did the right thing. And this is a stark contrast from what happened in Jharkhand. In Jharkhand, I agree that when Hemant Soren came out, there was sympathy. People said, बेचारा इसको आपने जेल क्यों भेजा? लेकिन यहां पर जितने आप लीडर्स को जेल भेजे गए, सरकार मोदी सरकार की तारीफ हुई कि ये लोग जो है फ्रॉड है, इन्होंने जिस तरह से लोगों को ठगा है, आपने बिल्कुल सही किया। और ये एक बहुत बड़ा अंतर है यहां पर। This is what people are underestimating. For the first time, people feel vindicated that the central government has, cut the AAP leaders to size, has punished them for all the, all the perfidy, for all the chicanery which they have indulged in the last 11 years.
Well, I think the BJP will learn on the 8th exactly what the people of Delhi think. I think this vindictive policy of the BJP to try and threaten everyone with the ED, the CBI and various institutions of the government is something that the whole country has seen, witnessed and is absolutely demoralized about it. I mean, we've seen what happens in every state where they will call, if any AAP leader were to join the BJP, we would become non-corrupt as per them. But if we don't join the BJP, we are corrupt. The whole world sees it. I mean, it's so blatant. I find it how can they speak with a straight face and, stay with that? I think what we need to understand is they keep saying that what AAP did is something, they didn't do anything. But at the same time, in their manifesto, the BJP said, we will continue all the welfare schemes that AAP has started. So they are admitting in their manifesto that AAP has done a lot of good work and we will continue that. Of course, with caveats, so that they can escape from it, that we will give education only to the needy people, which means they will remove the 18 lakh students and say none of you are needy, because they put these caveats to get out of,
price,
they got out
and
of
that price
Behen.
was too heavy, which people
Once
have realized.
they copy us, they in their
let's see what happens on the 8th. Let's see whether these numbers hold or not. Preeti Sharma Menon, I thank you for joining us. JVC, thank you for joining us with the numbers.